This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
So, what are we going to be wireframing? We will be wireframing the Google Chrome website. Exciting, ain't it? So let's get started. So let's head over to chrome.google.com. So this is a wireframe we will be doing in the beginning. This is a beautiful website. I love it. It's clean, it's got great typography, and is just really appealing. It's got clear call to actions. It has got clear differentiators, what exactly sets Chrome apart from the host of web browsers out there. And since I'm running a Mac, it automatically identifies the operating system I am on and automatically gives me a download link. This is a good website. So let's get started. So let's head over to Balsamiq. Wait for it to load. This was our previous project. Let's just go here. Let's create a new project. Again, let me just put a browser window over here. Containers, browser. Let me drag and drop over here. Chrome.google.com. Right? We're going to set it up. And we're going to drag it. Make sure it's nice widescreen for us. That's a little bit too much. It's okay, let us just zoom out a bit. We got it. So let me position this in the center and lock it. Let's have Google Chrome on the browser window. So we got the logo over here. We got 4 drop-down menus over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here, right? Let this be Chrome. Let me just drag it up exactly right. Then we got the 4 menu bars. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna take some text. I'm gonna type download. Position it right here. I'm going to click Alt or Option on this. I'm going to drag so that I get a duplicate of it. I'm going to drag one more. Again, Option so that I get 4. And now let's go back. Setup, Chromebooks, and Chromecast. So this is going to be Setup, Chromebooks, Chromebooks. And let me just pull this up right here, and this is going to be Chromecast, right? So this is pretty cool. Now we do notice that we have an arrow mark over here, so let's try to search for arrow, and we got an angle down. This is what we want exactly. So we can notice that this is a little bit bigger than we want. So if a particular object is really big, especially it works with icons, you have a slider over here which you can control the size of it. So I'm going to place it as small. And also if you're having a difficulty positioning it in tight spaces, you can just click on the object and use your arrow keys to move it. And using Shift will move it significantly. So I'm going to position it right next to downloads. Fantastic. I'm going to hold Alt again, and this time I'm going to drag another copy. I'm going to drag another copy, and I'm going to drag another one. So there we go. We have it all properly set up. I'm just a little bit pissed off at the spacing here, so let me just try to move it around a little bit, make it nice and even. You can notice that a few lines appear while you're trying to move a particular asset. They are called guidelines. They're dynamic guidelines which are trying to align the asset to a reference frame. It automatically adapts to it, so you can make out that the guideline is clearly aligned to the menu bar wireframe. So we've got the top menu bar ready. Let's go back to Chrome. And see, we've got some text here. This is a header text, so I'm gonna put, let's see, a big title. Yep, we need a big title. So what's this title? Get a fast free web browser. I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it. There we go. And then we've got some subtitles over here, so I'm just gonna copy this again. I'm gonna come back to Balsamic. I'm gonna drag the subtitle in the text bar, and I'm gonna paste it again. Super. This is a little bit too big, so we're gonna come here, reduce the size to 14. No, too small. Let's reduce it to 20. And increase the size of the title to about 60. Excellent. Let's just raise it up to 28. Really nice. And we've got a button saying download Chrome. So we go here and we type button. And we're going to drag this element, or clicking it will just make it appear on the artboard or the entire screen over here. And we bring it down here. And we'll say download Chrome. Let me just drag it. Using Shift, if you use Shift to drag an asset, it kind of scales it evenly instead of, if you don't use Shift, you kind of lose the spread. So we're going to come here and we're going to just say download Chrome. The guideline is automatically telling me it is in the center. Now I think we need another line of text. So we're going to take, let's go search in the text bar. Yep, some text. We're going to bring it down here, copy paste it. And again, go back to Chrome. We have another line of text, which is actually a link. So let's just copy this. And we're gonna, this time we're gonna drag some text again. We're gonna type enter. And this is a link. We'll get to that later. And then we have an image. So let's take an image. So again, I'm gonna type image. There we go. We got it. There's a huge, nice, big screen. And we're gonna drag the size. That's a little bit too big for us, right? So let's just go back to the browser, unlock the browser, increase the size so that we get some more real estate, screen real estate, lock the browser again, and now we bring the image and make it big. You can make out, since I increased the web page, everything seems a little bit aligned to the left. So I'm just going to Command A or Control A and move everything back to the center. Yes, we got the guideline again telling me that, hey, you are pretty much at the center. Let me click outside. Let me try to move this back. And we have just completed the first screen of the Google Chrome website.